us come to the present perfect continuous tense. Now what does present perfect and continuous tense means? Okay, see the formula I have written here, has have plus been plus v1 plus ing. So this is a continuous form. Now this means that the action, it refers to the action which started in the past, okay, and at the time of speaking also the action is going on. That means the continuous tense. Okay. For example, you can see a timeline here. Suppose this is present at the time of speaking. Okay, like at the time of speaking or saying anything. Now here, this is past. Okay. Now suppose we can take time duration. Suppose this is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay. And now this is 6 p.m. in the evening. Okay. So the duration is of 4 hours. Okay. Now if this person says that I have been waiting since 2 hours. So that means the person who is standing here and he is saying that I have been waiting here since 2 hours. So since, so like from 2, it can be till like the action started, okay, before in the past, and then it's going on till 6 o'clock. So I have been waiting since. So since point of time, that means maybe 4 o'clock, okay, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. That means 2 hours. So I have been waiting for you since 2 hours. So since tells you at what time it started. So since 2 hours. So it's almost 2 hours. So and at the time also when he is speaking, by that time it has already been 2 hours. And if he is still waiting, okay, if he again waits for more hours, so it can be 7 hours, 8 hours, or it can continue for that. Okay, now suppose here if somebody says that the rain started at 2, so like at 2 o'clock, so the rain started at 2 o'clock. Okay, and then a person says it has been raining since 2 o'clock. Okay, so at 6 p.m. if he says that it has been raining since 2 o'clock. So since the time, the point of time. Okay, now since and for sentence you must understand since and for. What these two words mean actually. Now see, since tells you the point of time and for tells you the duration of time. For example, any action which if I say like the rain started since 2 o'clock. Yeah, it has been raining since 2 o'clock. Since. Okay. So it is telling you the point of time. It is point of time. Okay. So at 2 o'clock it started and it's raining till 6 o'clock and it might continue also. But if you say that it rained for 2 hours, it rained or it has rained for 2 hours. So has rained for 2 hours, so maybe in between. Duration. So for means duration. Okay. So since tells you the point of time, and For tells you the duration of time. That means like for 2 periods the child has been standing outside the class. Like for 2 periods. Now you don't know which 2 periods. It can be first 2 periods. It can be fourth, fifth period. It can be sixth, seventh period. So for 2 periods the child has been standing outside. Okay, or maybe like he was punished for 2 periods. So for 2 periods, consecutively for 2 periods. Now we don't know when. But if we say since the first period, the child has been standing outside. So first period. Okay. So from the first period. So since first period till the time of speaking. Okay. That means when you are using since, it continues to the time of speaking, and the point of time is given. Like from what time. Whereas we are using for, it tells you the duration, the time period, when it started, when it ended, we don't know, but exactly for 2 hours, for 2 periods, so like that. Okay, so I hope you understand. Now let us see the structure also. So the structure, that means how you are going to use present perfect continuous in your sentences. So let us take one sentence. Reena has been playing. Now this is affirmative sentence. Has been playing. This is continuous. So this is affirmative. That means a positive sentence. Let us make it negative. So Reena has not. So this is the position of always. Has not been playing. We can add something also, playing in the park and all that. Okay, so Reena has not. Now the short form, hasn't. Now this apostrophe, this comma, it means that something is missing here. Okay, so has not been playing. This hasn't been playing. Now you must always pronounce as it is written. If short form is there, okay, you have to read in that way, like hasn't, has not been playing. So this is affirmative and this is negative sentence. Now let us make interrogative sentence, yes no types. Okay, interrogative. Simple, has, we are going to shift in the front. So has Reena been playing in the park and all that? So question mark. Automatically it becomes yes no type questions, isn't it? Yes no interrogative. Now WH. What has Reena been doing? So Reena has been playing. Okay. What has Reena not been doing? This can be negative interrogative. What has Reena not been doing? This is negative interrogative. Okay. Now in yes no types also we can make negative interrogative. Has Reena not been playing? Okay, like negative interrogative. Right? Has Reena not been playing? So this is negative interrogative in yes no types questions. Okay, so this is the structure. I hope you must have understood now. So this is Reena has been playing. So this is your present perfect continuous. Affirmative sentence, negative sentence, not is there. Yes no types, and this is yes no types interrogative, yes no type interrogative, this is negative interrogative, and WH questions also, this is interrogative, this is negative interrogative, and WH. So this structure you must remember that how you can use present perfect continuous tense